Pang YouTube to. Pang YouTube.
Show your beautiful smile. Kayo pagod? Smile! 1, 2, 3, Chiquita!
Panood dyan sa YouTube.
And ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Infinity and Rich Pearl group, together with our celebrant, Miss Crystal Fernandez.
YouTube.
So, ladies and gentlemen, nag-usually lang outfit ng ating celebrant.
Congressman.
Last segment, and this is what we call the one. Once I call your name, please stand up and kindly ask our Ashonettes to get your wine glasses. So, we have Luis Camban, Edwin Jara,
Salute kayo pang YouTube. Brent.
Mario Benson, Ed Gusi, June Pastor, Jerry Seguirez,
Ban.
Archie Diaz, Rodolfo
Pang
Santos,
YouTube.
Michael Sena, Edel Atienza, Benny Carulugan, Jenny Yampo, Ruel Austria, Rudy Pajardo, Rene Pancho, Jeremy Tolentino,
Thank you.
Marco Preyos and Ray Paraan. Lahat po ng mga participants na tinawag ko, makipag-coordinate po tayo sa ating mga Ashonettes na nandiyan dyan. Sila po yung mga nakapro. So, another intermission number. Habang inakantay natin ang celebrant, this is, I think, the last intermission number coming from our guests. We have the very beautiful Angiosa ng Italia. She will be having concert on February 14, the Cupids together with Mandy. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Rita Quines Santos. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating Diyosa. Ma'am? Ma'am Rita? Sasayaw po siya daw ng Chiquito. Kanina Chiquita, ngayon Chiquito naman.
Antok na.
Miss Rita.
Dahil ka na.
Magandang gabi! Nag-enjoy po ba ang lahat? Naku, nakita ko naman kayo lahat pumila. Bakit onti lang ang sumasagot? Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Ayan! Pinatay natin ang good vibes na yan hanggang mamaya, no? So, happy birthday, Crystal! Ito po para kay Crystal and para po sa inyo lahat.
Reyna.
So, iniimbitahan ko din po on February 14. Dito rin po, Valentine's concert with, of course, yours truly and Mandy Carino. Music Master. And if you know the song, you can sing with me. I think I finally know. I can see your smile. I think that I can show you that what you've had is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love is like a thread that keeps on readily but then it ties us back together in the air. Everybody! In your eyes, I can see my dream reflections in your eyes. Found the answers to my questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why our love's alive in your eyes. You do things deeply back to shore, and I think I find you, so let me know. If I had to live my life without you in me, the days would all be empty. So now you see so long with you, I see forever, oh so clear. I might have been
Isesend ko sa lang yung sayaw mo mamaya.
But it never felt this wrong.
Pag na-upload ko sa YouTube.
So young